from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
So here it is 10 feet deep. So I think I'm gonna put my tip down here. I'm gonna put a minnow on it. So here's my tip down. Comes apart. This. Oh yeah, we already got the golden jig on there. And what you do, this part comes out like that. This part screws in here. Like so. And then these fold out like a little stand. And then it has these two little grooves on there. You take your little rod thing here and obviously you'd bait it up and whatnot. For the minnow, I like to put a live minnow on here, a small one. Crappies and bass. And then on here, there's like a little line keeper. And you put that, you let it down how far you want, and you put on the line keeper. And when you get a fish, it'll just put this on here. When you get a fish, it'll be like this, and I'll pull it right down and come up, get a fish. So we'll get that set up and then get that jigging. So let's get it all baited up. Alright, so we got our first fish here, a little largie. Ooh yeah, sick, cool little dude. Put the tip down right away. Get a little release action on him. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Nice little fish. Oh yeah, there he goes. Back into the depths. Whoa, he almost got away. He almost got away. Snapped right here. Stuck my hand on there, perfectly grabbed him in the lips. Whoo-wee. That's a nice bass. Heck yeah. Nice one. Check him out. Woo! Let's go, baby! Woo!
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
There it goes. Sick! Just tied that on, too. Just tied that on. Awesome. Almost lost him at the hole too. I wish I could have got that on film, but I just need to get that fish in. So only got so many hours of daylight left here. I'm gonna make everything count. Alright folks, we're hooked up. Haven't seen what it is yet. Ooh, stud bluegill. Frickin' stud bluegill. Woo-wee. Awesome. Look at that bluegill. That is a stud bluegill. Look at that. Stud. That's probably 8-inch bluegill. Nice. Good stuff. That is actually very funny because when I was here in the summer with my kayak, I was kayaking over in this area and I was seeing huge bluegills and crappies. So that's the main reason why I even came over here. So I was like, hey, when I was in my kayak, that spot looked good. So, I can't tell if my other rod over there went down, but we're gonna try and get another one of these big old suckers. Because there's probably more down there. Another fish on. Oh, I just fucked my glove. Another stud bluegill. Let's go! Look at that one. Come here. Open that mouth of yours. Woo-wee. Look at them. It's a nice one too. Sweet. Both times I went to check over my tip down, got bit by a big old bluegill. Awesome. And him with the other one. Well, we got a sandwich already. A nice little fish sandwich. Put a new, oh, that wax one's pretty good actually. Leave that on there and put her back down. I broke my glove in the process of trying to get it off. I'll have to show y'all. Oh well. They soon sell new gloves at the store every day. They don't sell big old bluegills, so it's fine with me. Oh, here comes one. Got him. There we go. This is fun. Oh, another big bluegill. Let's go, baby! Woo! Heck yeah, buddy. Open that mouth ears. Get this hook out. I can't remember his name, but he commented on my video about some hook remover thing. I would definitely check that out because I always have a pain getting the hook out. So, can't remember your name, but whoever commented that, thank you very much. I did not know that that was a thing. The fish are biting hot right now. We gotta get another wax worm on there. This one's done paid its dues. Couldn't find the fish all day, and the sun's going down now. We're hammering them, just drilling them. See if we can't get another one here. Just caught that other one too. Let's go. See if we can't get a few more and have fish fry, and it'll be a good day. Real good day. Caught a couple bass earlier, and now we're on the bluegill bite. Heck yeah. Oh, here comes another one. Come on, friend. You know you want some. Come on. He's looking at it, dude. He's like, brothers are missing, but kind of hungry. Come on, buddy. You know you want some of this. One nibble is all you need to do. One nibble. Come on. Come on, pal. Oh, here comes one shooting up. There we go. Oh, this is a good fish. This is a good fish. Oh, yeah. Come on. Oh, this is a good fish. Oh my god, that's the biggest bluegill I've ever seen. Holy crud. Holy crap. Holy crap. That's a huge bluegill. I'm getting this back down there because there's so many. Oh, this is just going nuts. Insane school bluegill right now. What the heck is going on? I need to get this down there quick. Come on, free fall, Black Betty. Get us down there. Whew, that was a huge bluegill. I have never caught a bluegill that big before. And there's more down there. These guys. Little boy. We go from big old bluegills to this, brother. That's so funny. See you, friend. Jeez. We go from huge bluegill just to little boy. That is funny. Here's my destroyed glove. I was trying to get it off and I was pulling on this part and it tore it all the way off, so. Yeah, my fingers are gonna be cold soon with that issue there, but yeah, it tore it clean off. Usually like attaches like right here and the little hinge part, but yeah, it doesn't last long around me. Here we go. Another stud. I ain't got no type. Stud bluegills are the only ones that I like. Haha. We got lunch, boys. Or dinner, whatever. Dinner, because we fish meat for dinner. You got another bluegill. Another eater. I was actually receiving a call about a doctor's appointment. I just got called and I was catching fish while they're talking to me. So that was pretty awesome. But the bluegills are going crazy right now. So we're gonna get this back down here. See how long it takes us to catch another one. Because those two I just caught were within a minute for sure. Oh, got hammered over here. Ooh, some nice fish. Ooh, ooh, that is a huge bluegill again. Holy cripes. Dude, that thing's as big as my freaking hand. Look at that. How in the hell is that possible to get that big? Holy cripes, I'm freaking out. Never caught bluegills this big. Oh. Just look over and this thing's getting destroyed. Got him. Another nice bluegill. Good stuff. Boom. We're getting lots of dinner tonight, boys. Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is all right. That is another huge bluegill. Holy cripes. Look at that thing. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, so without further ado, we're going to show you the fish that I caught, and then we'll clean them up and eat them. So here's what we all caught. I got them in my little bait box, and it is so cold that the bait box has frozen. So yeah, I can't close it, I can't open it. All I can do is just grab the fish out and show y'all. So here's our first one we got here. Nice bluegill. Second one, another nice bluegill. Third one, pretty mega bluegill. Big fella. And then we got this dandy. We got a little bit smaller one, but still eater. Got Big Daddy Mac right here. And then we got our brother Big Daddy Mac number 2. And we also got this brother. Any more? Oh yeah, we got more. Got another eater. And last but not least, Big Papa. So I believe that is all we got. Yep. So here's all the fish we got. Boom. Nice assortment of sizes. Couple mondos. Great day of fishing. Started out super slow. I caught a really small bass and then another decent sized bass on my tip down. Couldn't find anything to mark. Had something bite on my jigging rod, but my line broke. So that was kind of not too great. Not good confidence booster there, but we finished it off. We got some bluegills, some really nice ones. Probably some of my PBs right here. And we're going to go cook them up and have a nicely meal. So